So the cake starts in an 8.5-inch round cake pan, about 1.5 to 2 inches deep. I've buttered the pan. I have a piece of parchment paper in it. You can see that. Parchment paper that I've buttered. So that's going to make it easy to get the cake out. So you just do that and set it aside. So to make the cake, we need flour. So we have 1 and 1/4 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. Remember, you're using dry measures to do this. We want 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. We want 1/4 teaspoon of sale, salt, go in. And we want 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So those are our dry ingredients. We just mix this around just to combine them. You could use a sifter if you wanted to do this and get it in a sifter, but it's not necessary. This is a really easy cake to make, and it's a perfect cake for afternoon tea. All right, so we've got the dry ingredients. Now we need wet ingredients. So we have 2 eggs. There's 1 and 2. So we're going to whisk those up a little bit. We want to beat these eggs up until they're fluffy and a little lighter color. And that happens when you beat air into eggs. And now I'm going to add a stick of melted butter. You get that all well blended. Okay. So now we're going to sit this aside for a minute because I want to get some lemon zest and lemon in there. So we want the zest of a lemon. So there is the lemon zest, and now we want the lemon. So now we have the lemon zest and we have the lemon juice, and now we're going to combine these 2 ingredients until we have a nice batter. And then we're going to add in some almonds. All right, so that looks good. So the biscottificio in Prato is where you want to go. All right, so now we have almonds, and we want to add, about 2/3 of these to the batter. The rest we're going to put on the top. So we fold in the sliced almonds, just like that. This is such a simple cake, but a delicious one, and one with a history, which is even better. Spread the batter into the pan. This cake only needs a dusting of confectioner's sugar over the top. And then you take those remaining almonds and just sprinkle them over the top. You could toast the almonds a little bit first too if you wanted to. 350, your oven's on. This cake is going to take about 30-35 minutes depending on your oven. When a little cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean, you know it's done. Give it a tap. It's all ready. In it goes. Timer's on. Let's get the tea ready.